Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use Snap Camera in OBS. Alright, let's begin. First, make sure you have Snap Camera installed on your device. Without it, the setup will not work. Open OBS Studio. Click on the plus icon in the Sources section. From the list, select Video Capture Device. You'll be asked to name the new source. You can name it Snap Camera or any custom name. If the name is already in use, try adding a number or another word to make it unique. Click OK to proceed. Now in the Device drop-down menu, select Snap Camera. This will only appear if Snap Camera is installed and running on your computer. Once selected, OBS will pick up your webcam feed through Snap Camera. This allows you to apply Snap Camera filters to your video feed in real time. You should now see the Snap Camera output displayed in OBS. So that's basically how you can use Snap Camera in OBS. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.